How to sync CapCut projects across devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to sync CapCut projects across devices. Without further ado, let's get started. Open CapCut app on a device. Make sure that you log in using your preferred method like Google, Apple ID and Facebook. You can easily tap on Me icon whether you have logged in or not. After that, you need to tap on Library at bottom right corner to see your saved projects. After that, you can tap on Cloud icon and enable the Cloud Sync by turning on the option to sync projects across devices. You can easily create and save projects regularly ensuring Cloud icon appears next to your project. On your second device, you can log in with the same account. Your projects will or with the Cloud icon will be there. You can then go back to the edit button and then open particular project and continue editing. Any changes will sync back automatically to the cloud. Once edits are done, you can export the video directly from any device and quality will stay the same. So that is how we can successfully sync CapCut projects across devices. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.